Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, and this is how to connect a sink sprayer. This particular sink is a 4-hole sink. So obviously they come in all different sizes, varieties. This is a typical 3-stem base with an additional hole for the hand spray. Okay, I'm going to install the gasket on it. And this has a little reservoir to put putty in if you wanted to. Okay, I'm going to mount the faucet or new faucet in the sink. I'm going to install these retaining nuts here. Now from the back, I'm going to make sure that the faucet's centered in the holes. I'm going to hand tighten, double check from the front, and then I'm going to continue to tighten with channel locks. Doesn't have to be over tightened. For our hand spray, I'm going to take some putty and install it around the perimeter of the base. I'm going to mount it. Again, I'm going to keep the hole centered. I'm going to hand tighten and give it a quick tightening with the channel locks. We're going to insert our hose, and in this case, our spray is a push-in style. I'm going to remove the protective bushing that protects the O-rings, and I'm going to install our spray by just pushing over. The actual hand spray just gets screwed onto the hose. So again, in your sprayer, if it's a push and plug, it's relatively easy installation. But if you have to use, if it's a nut type of application, you use a basin wrench or some channel locks to get in there. Might be a little grueling on the back, but you know, I think you'll manage. It's a relatively simple installation. So this was how to install a kitchen sprayer on a sink. This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, helping you build a better life. Reach out to me on Facebook at the Home Source Guy. We'll see you next time.